Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, I say go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. However, if you came back for more unboxing shenanigans is what you're gonna get. Which box am I doing today? Nordstrom Trunk Club. I'll start off by saying that this was not a great box. In great characteristics, it was lacking. It was great less. Great 'twas not. I don't know any other way to say it. So instead of me standing here and complaining for what would be edited down to 12 minutes, in real life 3 hours, I have decided that I'm just gonna have some fun with it. Sometimes you gotta laugh to keep from crying. So we're just gonna jump into it. Now, one thing that I did want to note is that Nordstrom has this really cool feature on their website where you can take an item and then use items from other parts of the website to build an outfit. So you kind of can better conceptualize what it would look like all together. And you can save it for yourself, but you can also post it to the site so that other customers, when they go and look at that item, can see on the bottom of the page total outfit inspirations that, you know, other people have come up with for that specific item. And all of the items are sold by Nordstrom. So I think it's a really cool idea, and it's helpful for people who may want a piece but not sure how to style it with other pieces. So I use those outfits as inspiration for how to style the clothes that came in my trunk, because they all came from Nordstrom. Anyway, so that will be the first part of what you see before you see the outfit. Stick around. I will see you on the other side. First up, we have this long sleeve black top that I am going to pair with a pair of jeans and some black flats. So here's this top. The major thing wrong with this top is that it's just too damn small. This is a size large, no stretch. I'm not sure why this was sent to me. Now, the top itself is actually really cute. So if it would have come in like a double X, we might have been talking a different story. But I was so afraid that if I exhaled, this thing would bust at the seams. It was so stinking tight. And besides that, I asked for summer bright colors. How that translated into a long sleeve black top, not sure. But here it is. So the next thing that was sent in my trunk was this deep V black top. I went ahead and decided to pair it with jeans and black shoes. So the main problem with this top is that it is much too small and much too deep cut. This was a non-stretch material that was sent in an extra large. It didn't work. You can see my entire bra and the top of my stomach. So imagine if I didn't have a bra on, you would see both of my Wonder Twins activated. That's just doing the most. The top itself was cute, but too small and too deep V. I asked for sassy, not trashy. So all 3 of these items were sent to me in my trunk, so I decided to use the stylist suggestion and wear them as a single outfit. Jesus is on the main line. Tell him what you want. Oh, I look like a vacation Bible school teacher in this outfit. I just didn't like it. Now, the purse here is a cute purse, but it's not really me. And then we have this top by Rachel Roy, which I actually like the print quite a bit, but the shape of it wasn't complimentary to me. But I didn't hate the top. I just didn't think it looked good on me. Then we'll talk about the jeans. They have this kind of leopard print velveteen stripe down the side, and then they were sent in a straight cut. And I just don't do well in a straight cut. I couldn't zip them up. They were too small. I have to have lots and lots of stretch in the waist, and these just didn't, so they didn't work out. The next two items that were sent are orange slink jeans and a tank top, pattern tank top. I am going to wear them together as suggested by my stylist. I actually really like these jeans. I thought they were a great fit in the skinny cut, which I love. And if you see, it makes my flapjacks look like two buttermilk biscuits. Hey! So I really don't have a lot of complaints about the jeans. Additionally, this top with this scallop edge, I thought that was a really cute detail. It has adjustable straps, which I think you never can be mad about. It was just a little tight, as was the jeans. They were both sent in my quote-unquote normal size, so I can't be mad at the stylist about either one of these. They were just too tight on Osceola. Next up is this printed maxi skirt by Eloquii. I didn't have a white top, so I just went with a basic black top and some neutral colored wedges. Here's the skirt. I like it quite a bit, but again, it was too small. It didn't have much stretch, some, but not much. I like how flowy it is. I like the color, but I didn't dig the fit. So again, not my stylist's fault. Just wasn't really a fan of the fit. So the next item is this white top that I am going to pair with a denim skirt and then a pair of gold slides. So overall, I like this top, but I would be required to wear some type of camisole underneath. And for this to be a summer top, I don't want to have to wear layers. So it was a cute enough top, but that is the biggest drawback. Other than that, I'd have to go up a size, but you know, the top itself was cute. The next item I was sent was the Vince Camuto leopard print top. I thought I had black shorts, but I don't, so I went ahead and kept the denim skirt on. So here it is. I don't mind animal print, but what I think I've realized is that I don't like busy prints on my top half. So although this top is a cute print, it's breathable, it's got a nice flow, it fits okay, it's got this kind of cool pleating, I just don't like the busy print on my upper half. Not my stylist's fault, she didn't know that, so kind of have to take the L for this one, but now we know. So the next item that was sent is this black asymmetrical looking top, and I went ahead and added black pants and a jazzy pair of shoes. So here it is. Now this black top is in a basic polyester rayon material. It has some stretch, but that thing off the side in the picture, it makes it seem like it's one piece that's asymmetrical, but it's its own free-flowing piece off the side. I thought that was really weird. But again, it's comfortable, it has stretch. It could be cute, but that little thing off the side was just bothering me. So yeah, that's really it for this outfit.
That was my May trunk club. I'm gonna be honest with you folks. I have gained weight. Probably 5 or 7 pounds since I filled out that questionnaire last. And for me, weight doesn't distribute evenly. When I gain it, it goes and it just attaches to my midsection. So I take some responsibility for why some of those items didn't fit, honestly. However, 5 pounds up, 10 pounds down, that large shirt with no stretch and the extra large shirt with no stretch would not have fit. Not even close to fitting. So why they were sent to me, I have no idea. I asked for fun summer colors. 5 of the 12 items I received were black. And then the monstrosity of a shirt, I'm gonna put it in from my last trunk club. You'll see it. I was sent that same shirt, exact same shirt in black. It didn't fit last month. I didn't like it last month. Why would you send it this month? I have no idea. Maybe you figured since it was in a different color, I wouldn't realize it was the same shirt. So overall, this trunk was just not great. I take some responsibility, but then I also put some of the responsibility on my stylist and just bad choices, just
bad choices.
So here's a listing of the items that I received in my trunk and their prices. I have noticed that the items I receive in my trunk that are Nordstrom brands like BP and Leith always end up going on sale the following month. So I'm going to keep my eye out, so that way, in case I get something in my trunk I like, I might just hold off and see if it goes on sale. Save some money.
That's all I wanted for today. If you have any comment suggestions or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.